Hi guys, welcome to another farming video. I have gotten some rain over the weekend. I think rainfall on Saturday, so the broccoli are picking up, but the rain caused them to get like these blackish colors on the leaf. Yeah, so they have all them blackish color on the leaves, so they're rotting away. But the heads are coming up big and nice, because look at that, guys. So I'm just going through and cutting out the heads that are ready, so I can get them for market. So these ones aren't ready as yet, so whenever you see them the heads rolling like that, you know that you can give that another few days. When it's like this now, everything come up nicely in one, that is ready for cutting. And these are some younger ones that are pushing up. These also. So I could have got the rain earlier. It would have been better off for me, because those over there that are stunted, I don't think those gonna come back, and it would have stopped. If I've gotten rain earlier, it would have stopped all them bats that was in the ground that give the leaves these lot of whole splashes and all that. So that would have been avoided, and there wouldn't be as much caterpillar as there was in the ground, because whenever it rains, bat seems to stay away. You won't see as much bat as was in there before, whether you call it bats or you call it moths or whatever it is. But those things are very hard to get rid of, man, because first time we used to use caprid to get rid of bats. Then caprid stopped work, so now there's one on the market called Triclan. So I've been using Triclan over the drought period, and the more me spray with the Triclan is the more bat I see, trust me. So I was spraying with Triclan for the bats and First Strike for the caterpillars, and then I use a bit of dietane to keep the spray on it, and then I use Caratrax as well. So it's not bad, but I don't think I'm gonna get most of these trees. Most of these small ones you're seeing right now, they're basically stunted. So this is what I've cut so far. So I have that in the bag. So I have a few heads left to cut. Before the rain, there was like only a few heads of broccoli that was rolling. But now after I get the rain, you're starting to see more and more broccoli pushing out their heads, because these broccoli wasn't here last week. Last week it was like one and two broccoli head pushing out. But now nothing beat rain, man. There are lots of broccoli heads just rolling. You see them there? The moths are still in here, but they're not as much as before. And I sprayed this ground on Tuesday. But what I did was, when I was spraying on Tuesday, and I saw the big heads that I'm going to cut, that's Thursday, I don't spray those heads. So whenever you're going to spray any type of ground and you're going to cut the following in that same week, you don't want to spray the ones that you're going to reap, because the chemical is not good for the body. So you don't want to spray that. So if I'm going through and I'm spraying and I see a big enough broccoli head, I don't spray it. So that's what you want to do. Don't spray the ones that you're going to cut in that same week. You should give it about 5 to 6 days before you can cut the ones that you spray. Give the chemical time to wash off. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like me, follow me on all socials at Suzie_Jamaica Vibe on Instagram. On Facebook, it's Suzie Jamaica Vibe. And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.